Okay, people, now let's continue with our language class. Look at this presentation. We're going to learn a new sound. Who can tell me which is the sound? Can you see the letters? Well, the pronunciation of this sound is ch. It's a strong sound, ch. Let's see the vocabulary. Who can tell me words that have ch sound? Very good. Okay, let's see. Church, chain, children, chips, and sandwich. Here we have more words. Chin, chocolate, chop, lunch, and cherry. Now let's start reading some sentences. I love chocolate. You can repeat with me. Chocolate. I love chocolate. At lunchtime, I like to eat chicken. At lunch time, I like to eat chicken. And you can repeat with me. Chicken. Chicken. To eat chicken. I like to eat chicken. Time. Lunch time. At lunch time, I like to eat chicken. Let's continue with the third sentence. Natural flavored chips are my favorites. My favorites. Flavored chips, natural flavored chips are my favorites. Carrots. The fourth one is carrots. The carrots. She will chop the carrots. She will chop the carrots. And number 5 is Hardin 1 has 25 children. Hardin 1 has 25 children. Let's continue with 5 more sentences. My chin is long. My chin is long. I love to eat ham and cheese sandwich. I love to eat ham and cheese sandwich. My parents go to church on Sundays. Pay attention because here we have a word with 2 ch sound at the beginning of the word and at the end of the word too. My parents go to church on Sundays. My bike has a chain. My bike has a chain. I want to eat cherry pie. I want to eat cherry pie. Cherry pie. I want to eat cherry pie. Now, people that you have already learned ch sound, let's continue with our worksheet. In our worksheet, what are you going to do? First, you are going to write here your full name and date. Don't forget. Full name and date. And then you are going to trace ch sound and complete here the space. Very good. Number 3, you are going to write the vocabulary words. Here, for example, the first drawing corresponds to a chain. So in this space, you are going to write chain. Remember that you write the vocabulary words on the blue lines. Then you have to color all the drawings. Okay? Let's continue because this worksheet has two sides. This is the second side. And what are you going to do? Here, you're going to read, the sentences. I go to church. I had sandwich for lunch. The children play with the chain. I hit my chin. I hit my chin. Chips are my favorite snack. Now, what are you going to do? Here you have two columns chart. You're going to write on the left the words that begin with ch sound, and on the right the words that end with ch sound. After that, you are going to choose 3 words and make a sentence with each one, and you are going to write them here in this space. Then don't forget to upload your work to Seesaw so you can see what you did. Okay? Children, I love you so much. You are wonderful kids and I miss you. So please work hard because I want to check your work and Seesaw. Okay? Bye. See you later. See you in the next class.